Brown, aka Akuapem Poloo, and I'm here to wish you a happy Independence Day to all my Ghanaian fans and family here. I love you so much. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us, to the flag and toil of our fathers. And I pledge of myself with all things to behold and esteem in there. So help me God. God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever the cause on freedom and of right. Feed our heart with true humility, make us fearless, cheerless, honesty, and hope.